Well, good afternoon from Dynodaze, and this lovely FN2 Civic has just had a Tegiwa 70mm catback exhaust system on it and a Tegiwa 4-to-1 manifold. And guess what? Now it's time to map it. Okay, so she's made it up onto the dyno at Dynodaze. I have strapped her, and the first thing we're going to do is a stock power run like we always do and see what power she's putting out now, even though we've just fitted a 4-to-1 Tegiwa manifold and Tegiwa 70mm catback system. We're going to do a power run and see what power she's putting on. Then, at that point, we're going to flash the ecutek race ROM to the standard ECU. That gives us the ability to tune and data log, etc, etc. We'll flash our Dynodaze base file on there, give it a run to make sure everything's working, and then we'll start tuning. So here we go.
Hello.
It's Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday before Christmas, in my opinion.
But it's not, because Christmas Eve is the Friday before Christmas, which is Friday.
Well, okay, it's a week away, but I'm classing it as like I'm finished today.
You're done today?
I'm done today, yeah.
I like the sound of that, mate.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that. I'll be down in Lemsips by home time.
Oh, why would you have? Why you ain't got a cold, have you?
No.
Well, why have you not mentioned it?
How's your eye, Rich?
It's all right.
Yeah, I know you had a bit of metal in it.
Well, that's just part of the course, isn't it?
Yeah, it's that kind of week.
It's going to be one of them. It has been one of them sort of weeks, yeah. Yeah, do someone a favour, take on a job that you don't necessarily
What to do?
You don't necessarily want to do, and then what you do is get a whopping great bit of metal in your eye, and then spend 4 hours sitting in A&E getting it scraped out.
I'll swap you a bit of metal in the eye for someone sending me 4 question marks because I hadn't responded to their Facebook message instantly.
Well, you see, I'm instantly as triggered as you are by question marks.
Yeah, Eden said in my post, he says he just blocks them. Blocked.
Does he?
No matter what he wanted, blocked.
Yeah, if they're sending question marks, they get blocked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a height of ignorance, ain't it?
I says, please don't send me question marks. It's, it winds me up. He said, I already sent you them because you ignored me. I said, I didn't ignore you, mate. I'm at work.
Yeah, it's like
You're not messaging me saying, hey, Daddy, I hope you have a great Christmas.
If I've seen the question marks,
yeah,
I'll respond when I'm ready to respond.
That's
probably a lot later than I would have done had you have not sent me question marks.
The thing is, though, it worked because he sent me 4 question marks and I was instantly enraged and typing.
Well, yeah, okay. So yeah, I suppose it did work, yeah.
It did work. But yeah, please don't send me question marks. I don't like it. go, another FN2 in the bag.
Do a bit of shameless promotion there.
Cowboy and Car Diaries.
Yeah.
Good channel. I'll drink me Dynodaze one, mate.
Yeah. Excellent.
It tastes a bit bally.
Got COVID in them.
Yeah.
Well, speaking to you from a half glazed eye. Well,
which eye is it?
left eye. Well,
what, like in TLC?
Yeah. Younger people won't get that.
No, they won't.
Right, anyway, this lovely red FN2. So talking to you from a lovely repainted dyno cell as well. I hope you can notice how bright and how lovely it is in here. So yeah, put a Tegiwa manifold.
I paid someone to do that.
Yeah, well, Dan wasn't definitely painting, so
no chance.
We got a man in, and
real man.
And I did a bit as well here and there. But
of course, because you can't leave nothing alone.
I know I
got
can't.
OCD.
No, I can't leave anything alone. You're
OCD
right.
Car Diaries.
Yeah. So anyway, let's start again. FN2.
Yeah.
Red.
It is.
Lovely, lovely. Tegiwa 70mm manifold, 70mm exhaust on it. Put a Tegiwa manifold on it.
I nearly said dog dick red then, Jason. He's laughing. Dynodaze red. Sorry, Milano pink. Right. Sorry, mate. I'm not editing this. It's Christmas time.
Well, we're going to be even later if you're going to carry on messing
All right,
about.
sorry. Okay, so we fitted some nice modifications to it. So we fitted 4-to-1 Tegiwa manifold, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then you also fitted a 70mm Tegiwa catback system.
Yeah.
And that made it up lovely, didn't it? So no modification needed.
No modification needed, all done, all fits lovely. Obviously then used ecutek to map. Came out real good. I mean, this car made sort of around the sort of 220-ish mark with the standard, in its standard form basically with that on. But I mean, fueling's not correct and things like that, so it's never a true reflection because you've obviously modified in the maps out. We've obviously tuned to the mods the car's got. We've made the same amount of peak power, but obviously, you know, more wheel horsepower and obviously power everywhere on the curve.
12 more wheel horse.
Power everywhere
that
on the
goes
curve.
back to the gearbox warming up, the tyres warming
Yeah,
up.
and everything that goes,
Transmission
everything that goes with it. But ultimately, it's mapped up really nice. It's made 220. It's exactly what I'd expect to make. It's on a standard airbox. I did say to the customer, you know, an induction kit may be worth another 5 brake to him.
It's made some mid-range gains, as they all do. So that will drive phenomenally. It's got the features on it.
Yeah, features all done. So no lift shift, auto blip downshift, and launch control are on there. 4 switchable maps. So in our instance, we do mapped. Is map 1, map 2 is mapped with all features. Map 3 is valet mode, and map 4 is immobiliser. And I think you'll love all that.
I'm probably back for more mods, like an induction kit or something like that.
Let's have a look at this graph then.
Let's have a look at it. Come on. So red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves. As you can tell, we've revved the car out a bit further to 8.6. We've made a substantial mid-range gains there, and obviously now it's tuned. Now it has made more wheel horsepower across the rev range, as you can see there. If you look, I'm going to use my dirty finger. That's your wheel horsepower gain, and then this is a correction figure here. So that's your flywheel figure. But yeah, there you go. Look at that, fantastic, and he's going to enjoy that, I'm sure. And we finished today on 221 brake horsepower and 190 at the wheels. You're going to fall down them stairs.
No, I don't want it, man. I only literally just had me dinner, didn't I?
Thanks, Jason. Thanks for the tea. Thanks for the mince pie. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Thank you very much. I hope you like our new freshly painted dyno cell. I do. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
I'm feeling a bit tired now.
Tired?
Tired. End of the year,
Well,
tired.
have you done anything today?
Yeah. I've drank at least 6 lem sips.
Yeah.
Oh, Rich, it won't go in this video, but me and Rich have got to do a little bit of a segue now, a bit of a clip. So we'll see you on the next one, mate.
Well, indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.